isang probinsya ng Thailand, matatagpuan ng isang abandonadong water park na nababalot ng misteryo.
Look, you were drowned.
Maraming tao daw ang naaksidente bago ito nagsara dahil sa kakulangan ng safety at manpower.
This might be a bad idea because a lot of the bolts and stuff on here are rusted.
Dekada 90 pa nang itinayo ang water park na ito, pero dahil sa pandemya at sa mga naaksidente dito ay tuluyan na nga itong inabandona.
Oh my god, look! His hands! I got stung 4 times!
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng water park. Last time na punta natin dito, medyo okay pa siya. Pero ngayon, unti-unti na siyang nasisira lalo tong taas.
Mas lumala ang sira ng bawat padulasan nito kaysa unang punta ko dito. Pero gaya ng dati, nababalot na ng mga ligaw na halaman ang ibang parte. Isang patunay na sa simula pa lang, hindi na ito inalagaan gaya ng mga komento ng mga dating nakapunta na dito.
Try natin mag-ikot dito kung meron pa tayong mahanap na kakaiba. Mas lumala yung tama dito. Itong haba nito, oh my god.
Nakakapanghinayang makakita ng ganito na ang dating masayang pasyalan ay tanging alaala na lang ang naiwan.
Dati, pumunta kami dito ni Dayan, gabi na. Pero ngayon kahit umaga guys, wala pa rin tao dito. Yun yung mas lalong creepy kasi wala talagang pumupunta kahit umaga.
Pagkatapos kong libutin ang kiddie area nila, dumiretso na ako sa parting to.
So wala na talaga. Tapos gumagalaw na yung slide guys. Pwede pa sana to eh. Kaso siguro sobrang mahal na magpaayos. Kaya siguro hinayaan na lang.
Ganito ang itsura nito dati. At eto na siya ngayon. Unti-unti nang nabubulok ng panahon.
Sobrang saya siguro ng mga tao na pumupunta dati dito. Ano kaya mararamdaman nila pag nalaman nila na ganito na yung itsura ng dating pinupuntahan nila? Sayang to sobra guys. Yan oh. Dito malala na guys.
Unti-unti nang dumadami ang kalawang sa bawat parte. Kupas na ang mga pintura at nagsilaglagan na ang mga tornilyo ng padulasan nila.
Itong gilid, kita na talaga. Yan oh. Naagnas na siya guys. Oh my god, yung dito pala butas na. Butas na dito guys. Dito yung mga parte niya oh. Ito yung mga steel.
At dito sa baba, matatagpuan ang kanilang filter area.
Ito dati yung hindi ko napasok. So, check natin kung anong meron dito. Oh my god.
Halos kumpleto pa ang mga tubo kung saan dumadaloy ang tubig dito. At ang mga switch nito, putol-putol na. Pero ang nakakapagtaka, walang ni isa ang nagtatangkang ikalakal ang mga gamit na natira.
Mga bakal to, mga screw. Yun yung nakakapagtaka guys dahil walang kumukuha. Kaging creepy dito.
Kaging creepy dito. Kaging creepy dito.
What the?
Nanggagaling ito sa dulo banda at maya-maya lang.
Ito na Kap?
Tinawag ko baka may hayop o tao dito pero wala akong narinig na sagot.
Mahirap kasi kahit umaga, merong mga kakaibang tunog guys. So, check natin dito.
Kaya lumabas na ako baka mga ibang parte lang ng padulasan ang nagsilaglagan at medyo delikado lalo't mag-isa lang ako naglilibot dito.
Dito sa likod, ang dami pa pala. Oh my god. So, meron pa dito guys. Oh. Kinakalawang na rin yung ibang parte guys. Medyo may kalawang na.
Napakalawak ng water park na to at napakataas naman ng mga water slide pero ang mga tornilyo naaagnas na ng kalawang.
Ito yung mga poste niya. So, anytime pwede na tong malaglag. Baka pag umakyat tayo dyan, delikado kasi baka bumagsak to. Nakalawang na rin. Oh. Tapos ito, nasira na to.
Bigla akong napatigil dahil meron akong narinig na boses sa bandang dulo.
What the heck?
Hindi ito masyadong rinig sa mikropono kaya nagmadali na ako dahil hindi ako sigurado kung tao o hayop ang makakasalubong ko.
Yan o, dito lumang-luma na rin guys. Makikita nyo dito, sobrang kalawang na. So baka pag umakyat tayo dyan, bigla yan bumagsak. Ano, ibang-iba na yung kulay niya dati. Sobrang haba nito eh. Oh my God.
Unti-unti nang nabubura ang kulay ng isa sa pinakamataas na water slide nila pero ang tubig sa Lazy River naging kulay berde na.
Paano tayo tatawid dyan? Kasi merong tubig eh. Tapos merong opisina dito banda. Yan o, may opisina dyan o. So, check natin. Tingnan natin kung anong meron.
May nakita akong opisina sa gilid banda. Isa ito sa mga hindi ko napuntahan dati at gusto kong makita anong meron dito. Pero ang problema, sira-sira na ang tulay papunta.
Wala rin. Ganun din guys. Pero yun yung hagdan eh. Ito banda oh. Yun yung hagdan. Tapos papunta dun. So paano kaya tayo tatawid?
Kaya kinailangan kong bumalik kung saan ako nang galing para makapunta sa kabilang banda. Bukod sa mga slides ay napakarami pang naiwang gamit dito at nakakapanghinayang dahil unti-unti na itong nasisira.
Gagi, scary nito.
At pagdating sa kabila, ito ang aking nakita.
Dami pang mga bahay pero wala nang pumapasok dito. Problema natin ngayon, saan tayo dadaan papunta dun sa harap?
May nakaharang na sa harap kaya kinailangan umakyat para makapasok.
Paano kaya tayo akyat dito? OMG, dito pa yung ibang gamit.
Naiwan pang ibang gamit dito pero sira-sira na ang kisame. Kaya dumiretso na ako sa katabi nitong kwarto pero masukal na ang daanan.
Try natin bumalik kasi lapit ng dumilim.
Kaya bumalik na ako agad dahil malapit ng dumilim. Pero habang papunta, meron akong narinig na boses.
Hindi ko alam kung naririnig dito pero parang may naririnig yung nagsasalita. What the heck?
Sa point na to nag-decide na ako lumabas dahil medyo delikado lalo't mag-isa lang ako dito at wala akong mahihingan ng tulong pag nagkataon.
Medyo delikado. Lalo, wala tayong kasama dito. Sumigaw.
Bigla akong may narinig na sigaw at hindi ito magandang senyales.
What the heck? Ano yun?
Dito na ako kinabahan dahil nanggagaling ang boses kung saan ang daanan palabas at wala akong makitang
Oh
ibang
my God.
lagusan papunta sa labasan.
Oh my God, may tao.
Kaya wala akong choice kundi harapin ang sasalubong sa akin.
So, delikado to guys. Problema natin dito. Baka anong mangyari? Shucks, may tao nga. Oh my God. May tao guys. What the heck? Delikado to.
At ang malala pa, higit pa sa isa ang aking nakita.
May tao. Shit, yun. Ano kap?
Lumapit ako para sana magpaalam dito. Pero sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, ang makakaharap ko pala ay isang kilalang tao.
Ano kap? She alive kap?
Do you know who owns this place?
This is already abandoned.
You have cameras and stuff. What are you doing?
I'm doing YouTube.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Oh, right.
Wait,
You
shut up.
filming? You
Yeah,
filming
I'm
here? Oh
filming.
my God.
Okay, so you're not security, okay?
No, no,
You
no.
were freaking scared.
Nag-iikot din pala sila dito sa Thailand ngayon at gaya ko, napagkamalan din nila ako na gwardya dito.
What? Here. Wait, he's coming up to. What do we do? No, if it's security, we're actually getting kicked out. He's staring at us. Hello? You have cameras and stuff. What are you doing?
I'm doing YouTube.
Wait, what? And you say you're not security?
No, no.
Nag-decide silang magsama-sama kami maglibot pero habang papunta, na-realize ko na parang nakita ko ng mga to pero hindi ako sigurado. Hanggang sa naalala ko ang video nila nakasama si Mr. Beast.
Everyone, make sure you go watch it. It's on Amazon Prime, season 2 of Beast Game.
First episode's free, but anyways, are you good?
You good, Liv? Oh yeah, hi Philippines.
Hi, Philippines.
This
Wait,
that's
oh,
where
wait.
you're from, Philippines?
Yeah, Philippines.
sick. No way.
Wait, I think I know this guy.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, you watch the videos?
Yeah.
No way.
Brand, right?
Yeah.
Brand. Oh, yeah.
Have you seen our
Yeah.
Google Maps videos before?
The one that abandoned plane?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my God,
because
that-
I thought it's in the Philippines.
It's in Palawan.
Yeah, Palawan, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh
oh
my
my
God,
God, holy
Gagi.
shit,
Alam niya, guys. Alam niya.
Wait, let's do
Yeah.
it. Let's explore this together. Then.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Hindi lang pala Thailand ang napuntahan na nila, kundi pati na rin ang Pilipinas.
Look at that slide.
We can go upstairs later.
Oh, that's like 6 stories high. Is it safe?
I think so.
Kaya dumiretso na agad kami sa mga padulasan para tingnan ano pang meron dito.
So this one's the highest. So you have to go in. It's like they close the door and they.
Oh, wait.
How
the
do you-
drop tower?
Yeah, drop tower.
What? Wait, this blue one is?
Yeah, this one.
Shut up. What is this? This is like a jungle gym, huh?
This one is like the spiral slide.
Should we do this one first or should we go over there? I think we should do this. Because
Yeah.
that's low-key the coolest one. Okay, so
Kailangan namin magdahan-dahan dahil marupok na ang hagdan at pagdating sa gitna, hindi namin mapigilan mapag-usapan ang pangyayaring hindi inaasahan.
what a coincidence. Huh?
Yeah, I didn't expect it. I thought you're security as well.
Well, that's what we thought you were.
Yeah, I'm saying to my audience like, oh my God, guys, let's go because I think it's dangerous.
What the hell?
heck?
What's up, audience?
Yeah.
That's crazy. It's
Yo.
funny that you're literally filming while we're filming.
Yeah.
It's like videoception. yeah, YouTubeception. I feel like one of those like urbexers right now.
Yeah,
Like,
urbex. Yeah,
Exploring
I
with
explored
dogs.
abandoned place in Asia.
Nagpaiwan ako sa baba dahil umaalog na ang pangalawang palapag.
Out of nowhere to, guys. Si Brent yun eh. Hindi ko alam kung kilala niyo guys, pero 41 million ata siya, 40 million sa YouTube. Sa US.
At kung gusto nyong makita ang mga nakuhanan nila dito, pwede nyo mapanood ang video na umabot na sa 6 na milyon sa channel ni Brent.
Your videos in a different language?
Yeah,
Do you
but
speak English or?
I speak English, but I'm more with the Filipino.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're talking to them in Filipino.
Yeah, Filipino.
I don't know what subscribe is in Filipino, but subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe guys.
At pagkatapos nilang tingnan ang parting to, lumipat kami sa kabila para tingnan kung may kaya pang akyatan.
Well, we came down it, so I think we should just walk up this one. And this one's even taller.
Wait, guys, this might be a bad idea because a lot of the bolts and stuff on here are rusted.
Inakyat pa rin nila to kahit delikado, pero pagdating sa gitna ay may bigla na lang.
Gagi, delikado itong mga ginagawa ng mga to.
Oh shit!
Oh!
Oh, wasp is attacking me! Oh my god, there's a wasp. Guys, there's wasps! Ow! 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 Ow!
Gagi, ang daming bubuyog. Kukulit kasi. Did it bit?
2 places.
Oh
I got
shit.
stung 2 places.
Oh my god, look! His hands! It's getting red.
Pinutakte sila ng mga bubuyog at wala kaming mahihingan ng tulong.
They were actually all over you. Do
Yeah.
they bite or sting?
It sting.
Ah!
Ay, narinig siya, guys.
I only walked away with 1.
Yan yung sinasabi ko na kailangan mag-ingat. Mag-ingat sa mga abandonado.
Brent,
Look.
you were fucking surrounded.
Yeah.
Do they bite or sting? What the I got.
It's so red. Oh my god, look at this.
I'm sitting here
Oh
worried
my
about
God.
fucking security when I didn't even think about wasps. Oh my god, I got bit a couple times. Yeah, wait, let me get this. What are we?
Oh!
Brent,
Gagi,
I'm
nasugatan
not
siya
gonna lie.
guys.
There was probably 50 wasps around you.
Dude, and you didn't see it probably, but you were literally like on the nest.
I was literally swatting. I was swatting them left and right. They're probably so mad. What the
Oh my
actual
god.
bro? What the hell? Dude, I got bit like 3 fucking times. I can't feel my fucking hand.
Wait, did someone drop something, right?
Imbis na kabahan ay natawa na lang kami sa nangyari at nag-decide pa rin sila magpatuloy sa paglilibot at tiniis na lang ang hapdi.
That's the lazy river, huh? Yeah. Look at the roof. Oh my god. This thing is falling apart.
At habang naglilibot dito, bigla naming nakita to.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Wait, what? What is it?
What the heck?
What is this? Wait, what is it?
Oh my god.
Is that a knife? Oh my god.
Holy crap.
Why would this be here?
Dito kami nagtaka dahil wala naman ito nung unang punta ko dito.
So sharp. Wait, why is this here?
Maybe someone did something bad here.
At sa tabi nito, meron kaming nakitang mga insenso.
Why would there be a weapon like this at a kid's water park? This might have something to do with why it closed, dude. What if there was like
Yeah.
an attack? Oh shit, I don't know.
And this one. This is for the offering for the spirits.
Like ghosts?
Yeah.
Bro. Did any kids like die here or anything?
There's 2 or 3. I did like an incense for praying for spirits.
Like ghosts?
Yeah.
Bro, why did this get so creepy? Bro,
So, okay.
do you think it's the ghosts of the kids that were at this water park?
I think so.
And that's what you were saying earlier. He said that
Yeah,
kids
the
here at
locals.
night-
The locals
said that
here.
they hear kids.
What?
Yeah, they hear kids here playing. But
So this probably has something to do with like the locals hearing the kids playing then.
yeah.
What?
But
Yeah,
when they
makes
come
sense.
here to check, there's no one inside.
Kaya lumabas na kami para maghanap ng iba pang bagay na pwedeng kumonekta kung bakit ito nagsara.
Session stand?
Dude, it's crazy. They probably used to sell like slushies and drinks here and things like that.
At dito sa kantin nila, meron kaming nakita.
E. coli detected, no chlorine detected. Wait, what? It
Failed. That means that the water was bad.
Wait, so they were doing tests on the water, but do you think this was after or before they closed?
It says June 14th, 2019. So it closed before, because the pandemic was 2020, right?
Oh, so they took the test before it closed.
Yeah, and then they closed right after.
Kaya dumiretso na kami para puntahan ang pinakamataas na padulasan para tingnan kung ano pang meron dito.
Bakit tayo guys? Pero dandan lang kasi medyo delikado yan.
At pagdating sa gitna, ito ang aming nakita. Isang napakagandang tanawin ng water park. Para kaming bumalik sa pagkabata nang makita namin to, pero nakakalungkot isipin na unti-unti na itong masisira at ang maiiwan na lang ay ang mga alaala ng mga dating nakapunta.
Dito kita na to. Yan o, yung mga slides. Dito na lahat. Doon na si Drew. Nauna na sila Brent. Check natin kung ano yung meron pa sa taas.
Kaya nagmadali na kaming mag-ikot dahil palubog na ang araw at hindi kami pwedeng abutan ng dilim. At dito sa taas, ito ang tumambad sa amin.
Oh my god. Ganda pa rin dito guys. Oh my god, what's this? Is it oil? So you can open this one?
Wait, can you open it?
Oh my god.
That's sick.
Oh.
Andito pa ang drop-down slide nila pero sira na ang pintuan niya.
This is probably what dropped the bottom panel.
Can you open it?
Wait, hold on. Can you open it all the way or no?
I think it's stuck. Yeah, upstairs it's
You can still
stuck.
get in it.
Hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko dito dahil gusto nilang subukan ang slide na to.
Dropped the panel.
This one?
Like, I wonder if it's... Oh my god.
So if you push that one, this one will open, right?
Bro,
Wait, so you're telling me if you push that button, Drew, that this thing will open?
Yeah, this one.
Alright, well, Ashton, you wanted to go down the
You wanna
slide,
try?
right?
Not when your hand is right next to that button.
Here, you know what? I'll move it.
Dito na ako kinabahan dahil hindi kami sigurado kung gumagana ang pindutan nito. At pag nagkataon, siguradong malalaglag ang isang kasama namin. At nang pinindot niya na ang switch button, ito ang nangyari.
3, no, 2,
I was kidding! Bro, why would you test it with me in here?
It doesn't work. Why are you tripping?
Yeah, but I
Yeah,
couldn't
yeah.
get outside of it first.
Ashton, it doesn't work. You're good.
Okay, I'm getting out of here.
Okay, get out now. Okay.
Bro, why would you even get in there?
In-enjoy na lang namin ang mga natitirang oras namin dito dahil hindi namin alam kung mauulit pa ang pagkakataon na to.
I'll be that guy too.
You know what? We can do it right now. You want to walk a Shaman home?
Sure, I'll walk it
I'm
down.
down to lead. Let's go.
do that.
Yeah, let's go down because it's dangerous. Look at this.
Yeah.
See that?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro.
It's dangerous.
All right. I'll just
What do you think, Ashton?
I'll just go on this. I'll go this way.
You sure?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Yes.
yeah. You want to
We're gonna go down. We're gonna
siya.
go back down the stairs. You're gonna go down the slide.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. I can still just go this way.
All right. Have fun, Ashton.
Okay. Good luck, guys. You guys hopefully safe.
Minsan sa mga lugar na akala natin ay wala ng buhay, doon pa natin makikita ang mga taong magdadagdag ng kulay sa ating kwentong sinasalaysay. At sa paglilibot ko dito, hindi lang takot ang nakuha ko, pero isang kwento at alaala na aking dadalhin habang buhay.